In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the serpentine belt on your Nissan Armada. Located under the hood of the vehicle. Let's get started. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to go ahead and move this reservoir out of the way. We do not have to disconnect any hoses. Simply grab the reservoir and just move it out of the way. Now we're going to go ahead and use a 14mm socket and a long ratchet. With this out of the way, we can locate the tensioner. Go ahead and put it onto the tensioner bolt. And what we're going to do, we're going to go counterclockwise to take the tension off the belt. Once you have the tension off, go ahead and grab onto the belt and just slide it out. Go ahead and take the tool out. Now we can go ahead and remove the tool. Now we can go ahead and grab the belt and pull it out. And here's the old one. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the belt. Using the diagram on the screen, we're gonna go ahead and route it according to that. We're gonna start on the crank pulley. And we're gonna move our way around the water pump. And so on. After routing the belt, the last pulley I didn't put on was the power steering. Using the same tool, we're gonna go ahead and apply some pressure onto the tensioner. And now we're gonna go ahead and install it onto the power steering. You want to make sure that you are in all around. Make sure you push it in. Go ahead and let go of the tensioner. Go ahead and remove the tool. And now you want to make sure that the belt is even on every pulley. If you try to start the vehicle and the belt is not straight, it will cause damage. And now we can go ahead and grab the coolant reservoir. Slide it back on the same position and reinstall the two 10mm bolts. Now go ahead and get them snug. Do not over tighten these. These are going onto plastic. And that'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.